Welcome to the man with the pan. Today I'm going to do something very impressive and very different. I learned this from my friend way back years ago. I'm going to grab this arrow squid, see it right over here, and I'm going to make the stuffed arrow squid with rice, and you'll be surprised how the thing looks. So first, you see the squid like this? You take out the head just like this, okay? Now inside here, this is why they say squid is a shellfish. There's a shell just like this, okay? See, you got the eyes over here, you want eyeballs. So you know me, I'm lazy. So what I do, I just put it inside the water like this and I squeeze it out. Okay, so here's the head, just like this, okay? What I do, yeah, you see the squid like this? Yeah, the cube. I grab some rice. I just put a little rice right inside here. Then you put in the squid head, okay? Then you toothpick the thing, just like that, okay? Here you go. The rice inside, the squid, and the toothpick, just like this. Put on the fire, right? Inside the pan, I put in some soy sauce. Okay?
Then I put in some sugar.
Oh, now good already. And I turn it off. Some ginger. Just like that. Squash the garlic. Dump in some garlic. Okay? Okay, stir everything around. Oh, the thing smells good already. Okay? Now I grab some mirin. See, I made all these squid here. A whole bunch of them. Okay? I'll put it inside here. All these squid. Getting there. It's getting there. Almost done. And you put it in, stir up. You know? Cover it. You use a aluminum foil or anything to cover it. But at this time, I want to talk about my apron. You can go on KTA Superstores online and you can buy this beautiful apron. KTA Superstores online. Okay? And I think everything is almost done. I can smell them already. You see this? Look at that. See, the squid is kind of shrunk and then the rice is cooked. So it comes a very beautiful product, just like this with a toothpick. Okay? That was real simple and it comes out like perfect. Okay, here you go, man. The thing really looks on alright. But let's see how well it tastes. Look at it, just there. Squid. Mmm. 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 It's so on. Again, the man with the pen. I'll see you next week. Aloha. Awesome. Awesome.